If you're going to store your motorcycle for an extended period of time, here's a few tips that can help to keep it safe. The first thing you're going to want to do is keep your motorcycle on its center stand. Prop it up to ensure that both wheels are moving freely. Extend the life of your tires and avoid flat patches by moving your motorcycle both forwards and backwards every couple of days. And make sure that tire pressure is maintained as per the recommendations in your motorcycle owner's manual. To keep the oil circulated around the engine and the battery charged, try and start your motorcycle once a week for a maximum of 3 minutes. Lightly rev the accelerator for around half that time and idle for the rest. But don't be too aggressive with the throttle, as this can cause damage to the engine and exhaust systems. And of course, if possible, try and give your motorcycle a short ride. If you're not going to be able to access your motorcycle for more than around a week, it's a good idea to disconnect the negative terminal of the battery to avoid unnecessary discharge. You can do this by accessing your battery via the appropriate panel and using the spanner that comes with your motorcycle's toolkit. Loosen the bolt and disconnect the cable from the battery, but make sure that they don't touch each other again when the side panel is closed, or the connection will be restored. To protect against rusting and settlement, activate all cables such as the clutch, accelerator, front and rear brakes at least once a week. Before you put it away, make sure you give your motorcycle a good clean, that it's dry and fueled up, but don't fill the fuel above the anti-splash plate, as overfilling can lead to the engine misfiring. Keep your chain in good condition by using Royal Enfield's chain cleaner and lubricant sprays. And finally, cover your whole motorcycle with a good motorcycle cover. And here's a pro tip: you can use a sock to cover the exhaust pipe. So hopefully these few tips are going to help keep your motorcycle well maintained and always ready to ride.